Hi everyone, Matt here from Carwow. So I've got a drag race for you today. I'm sat in the BMW M135i. Next to me is a Mercedes AMG A35. Next to that is a Volkswagen Golf R. And next to that is an Audi S3. That is the saloon rather than the hatchback, but it doesn't matter. Now I've got a guest driver with me today who I haven't raced against for ages, so I'm gonna go see him because I'm really excited. Hello.
Oh my God, this guy.
I haven't seen him for ages. I've missed you. They've missed you as well. They have. They've really missed you.
Oh,
I've been winning all the races. It's been getting boring.
What's happening? You well?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, really good. Thanks for coming down.
That's all right.
I'm gonna go back to my car now and talk about some stats and stuff. Right. Good to see you again.
See you later. Did he just slam the door? He was excited to see me, wasn't he?
I've missed him. I love racing against him.
I really should pay attention when I'm on the phone.
Hey Yanni,
You know, when I normally ask you to talk about the car, we don't need to.
should I tell you why?
Why?
The viewers wanted stats on screen.
As well as me talking, but there's no point in you talking if they can see the numbers for the car. So while we show some stats about the cars, we'll ask some questions. So what are you doing for Christmas?
I'm going Abu Dhabi for the Grand Prix, F1, and then I come back for 3 weeks, and then I go to Dubai for Christmas.
I'm going to my
Mum's in the Midlands.
Nice.
What can I say? Nice, enjoy it.
So, what present you got me for Christmas?
I would like a nice watch.
I don't have any watches.
I've got you a reaction time video to help you try and beat me in the new year.
Well, we'll see what my reactions are like in a moment, my friend.
I think my car sounds better than yours.
It's got a bit of the pop in, hasn't it? Yeah, I've got no pop, or snap, or crackle.
Go on, Golf, give it some revs.
It's quite nice.
That's got the Akrapovic exhaust on it, so that does sound nice. Let's hear the S3.
By the way, Akrapovic or Akrapovic? Akrapovic?
You're going to regret that, Yanni.
I'm not going to say why.
But the commenters will let you know.
Oh, okay.
Come on, BMW. Gotta beat Yanni, come on. So I want to beat him. I'm ready. So want to beat him.
Hate losing.
You got a better stop. Close!
Come on.
Bye bye.
He knows he's coming past me.
Yes. I'm gonna beat you. You had a good start, mate. I'll give you that. You had a good start, but my extra skills made
My car got ever so slightly faster in the end.
By holding the steering wheel straight.
Yeah, is that your extra skills? Look. I was paying so much attention to you, I didn't even realise the Golf gained on me like that. Wow.
Did the Golf beat you in the end?
I'm not sure, to be honest.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the BMW M135i did the standing quarter mile in 13.5 seconds, with the Mercedes AMG A35 just behind, also crossing the line in 13.5 seconds. The Golf R took 13.6 seconds, followed by the Audi S3, which took 13.7 seconds to do the standing quarter mile. Interestingly, when we last ran an S3, a hatchback, it did a standing quarter mile time of 13.2 seconds. Now, the owner of that car claimed it wasn't tuned.
Mr. Audi driver, have you got your car tuned?
No, the only thing, I got a res delete on the middle silencer exhaust, but that doesn't give me any power gains.
But looking at this result that we have now with the standard car from Audi, we think it may have been.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. The cars are in comfort mode and automatic. I'm going to call it in. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, this took ages to kick down. Come on! I'm giving it all that I can.
Oh, the Audi game me.
Yes!
Right, the Audi got me.
Right, I think we know what happened there.
What happened to Golf?
The Golf was just, nowhere. This took ages to kick down. And what was yours like?
I thought mine was quite quick, to be fair. It seemed all right.
Now, I should point out, this car has more torque than the others. It has 50 Newton meters more torque, though it is heavier. You know, if you're just driving along in your car, do you have it in sports mode at all, or are you just in comfort?
Depends where I'm going, if I want the exhaust to be loud and stuff like that. Usually I try and drive in comfort, but I do get excited.
So basically, guys, that's why we run this test like this, because that's how even Yianni drives, all right? And he's a hooligan. I'll tell you what, let's just do another rolling race.
So this time we will put them in third gear.
And have them in sports mode, all right? Here we go.
3,
2, 1, go. Look at him looking around. Ah, watching people come past him.
Oh, I'm getting beat everywhere. Oh, the Audi's behind me.
This BMW was the best, but that Golf is giving me a run.
Hate losing. Even the Audi's coming to catch me. Really?
It's giving me a run, but it's not going to do anything now. BMW for the win. Definitely easy. Yianni, do you know
the funniest thing is looking over at you.
watching you, your head just swivel from side to side as you're watching people come past you.
I'm just like, no, okay, he's beating me. No, alright, the Audi's well behind. No, I'm good.
I don't want to come last.
All right, let's do the brake test. We'll just be cruising along at 70 when we hit.
A change of time at the line, full emergency stop, alright.
I'm gonna left foot brake it. His reactions are usually a bit better than mine.
Brake, baby, brake.
Here we go.
Yes. Oh.
You're very, very close. You might want to check that Mat, but you lost.
Did I lose? I think he might be right. I hate the fact that he might be right. Let me just go and have a look.
Just accept it, mate. Yep, scratch that head.
Just put your car in neutral a second. Just want to check something.
Yeah, I'm good, mate.
You know what was going to happen.
I know. The Audi. Get the Golf out of the way. That didn't finish nowhere.
Yeah, it's out. Get out of the way, Golf. Go on, out of the way.
Oh. Really?
Do you know what? I'm glad it beat you. The Audi has beaten him. So he didn't win. The Audi's beaten him.
If they've got a camera on Mat running, go back to that runner that we filmed with before. That's Mat.
Great to race with you again. Whoa. Oh, well, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. And of course, check out Yianni's channel. And we'll get him on again.
All right then, I lost.